Hey guys, today I got a new fan. It's a 36-inch Evergo spinner from May of 1989. I found this fan sitting on the side of the road. I was riding my bicycle and I happened to come across this. And since these fans are very uncommon, I could not pass this opportunity. So I picked it up and I carried it home on my bicycle. And I will install this in a few weeks, since I still have to make a video of the Home Pride Hugger, which I'll make a video of very soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, here's the mounting bracket. Schoolhouse globe. And the blades are non-reversible. They're white on both sides. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.